Today I am going to solve a problem on electrocyclic ring closing reaction. You can find this problem in CSIR NET exam 2015 December. Here is the problem. Major product formed by photochemical reaction of 2E, 4Z, 6E decatriene. What is the product? In order to solve this, first you should know the structure of this compound. Second one, under photochemical condition, whether this compound will undergo conrotatory or disrotatory. If you know this, you can easily solve this problem. First one, what is the structure? It is deca, so there are 10 carbons, triene, so there are 3 double bonds. The double bonds 2E, 4Z and 6E. That is one, 2, so this is E, 2E, 3, 4, this double bond it is Z, 5, 6, here it is E, so trans. Now the number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. So this is the compound. When this compound undergo electrocyclic ring closing reaction under photochemical condition, what is the product? To solve this, you should know the condition, that is 4N system under thermal condition undergo conrotatory. Same 4N under photochemical it undergo disrotatory. Now 4N plus 2 system thermal it undergo disrotation. Same 4N plus 2 system under photochemical condition undergo conrotation. When I was a student, I just remember the first one, that is 4N thermal con. If you know this, you can write the other condition by simply going for the opposite one. For example, 4N, here 4N, thermal it is con, so photochemical it should be dis. Now 4N plus 2 system, since under thermal it is con, it should be dis. Now you can compare these two and you can find out what is the condition and what is whether it is conrotatory or disrotatory. If you memorize all 4, it will be confusing in the exam. So just remember only one and practice to write the other thing. Now our system, our compound, the number of electrons involved it is 6. So that is 4N plus 2 system. N it is 1. So it is 4N plus 2 system and the condition is photochemical. So 4N plus 2 under photochemical condition it undergoes conrotatory. Now I take the compound. If this undergo conrotation, that is the substituents they go in the same direction. For example, if it is clockwise direction, this as well as this should be clockwise. So I rotate like this also like this. What I get is a compound like this. CH3, it goes to the top, hydrogen the bottom. Here hydrogen goes to the top, and here. So this is how it happens. If you look at the stereochemistry, the methyl and this propyl groups, they are trans. Now let us go to the given options. First one, it is 6-member ring. This also 6-member. Whether the stereochemistry is it cis or trans? It is trans as per the mechanism. So this is the answer. The second option, it is cis. That is not possible.